Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the unable to follow user problem on Roblox. So in our first fix, you need to check if the other user is blocked. For that, you need to come here on roblox.com. When you log in into your Roblox account, simply click on the option of the settings icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, simply come here inside your Roblox setting. Over here, you need to go to the privacy and content restrictions. Here, you need to see if that person is on your block list or not. If someone is blocked, Roblox will not let you follow them at all. So you need to remove them from the block list, save and restart the application. And then you just have to try following them again. So this one setting fixed the issue for many people. The second thing that you need to do is you need to fix your account privacy settings as well. For that, inside the settings, you just have to click on the option of privacy, and here if your account has strict settings, especially for under 13 accounts, some social features are limited by default. So you can change who can make me a friend or follow me to a more open options if allowed, and then you need to save it. If it is a child account, a parent may have to change this in the parental controls. After adjusting, simply log out and log back in. Now, if your application is outdated or if it is showing you any kind of glitch, you just have to simply update it from the Google Play Store or App Store. If you are using it with the help of your web browser in your PC, make sure that you refresh your PC and make sure that you refresh your Chrome as well. Now, if none of the method work for you, the problem is usually on the Roblox's side, or the user has followed the restrictions enabled. So in that case, you simply have to wait. There is nothing wrong with your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.